Sunday, the 27th of July, 2025. It's 4 o'clock in the morning. We've got to rock and roll today. We've got a lot to do. We'll be having an update on Frank's El Camino. But this is about ShopCat and the Masked Bandit. Here for about the last week and a half, I've noticed ShopCat has been very uneasy at night. We'd hear noises and she'd be looking over there at the door very intently. You could tell she was ill at ease. I had noticed more food missing at night. And I've been hearing noises too, but I hadn't seen anything. I'd walk over to the door real fast and open the door, but never saw anything. And so then the other night, ShopCat and I heard the noise, and she was up on top of the El Camino, and we both looked over here, and I saw something move. So I came over here, and there was a masked bandit coming in the door over here and was going to make its way down to the cat food. And so I said, well, and then ShopCat, right after that, after I went over and ran the masked bandit off, ShopCat went upstairs. You could tell she just was not easy at all. She was afraid, with good reason, because she would not be a match for the raccoon. So last night I got the live trap. I blocked this door where ShopCat couldn't get out, and I set the trap. And looky what we have here this morning. Oh, you masked bandit, you. That's right, we got you. We got you, buddy. Gonna take you off this morning. Don't know where we're gonna take you yet. We've caught two before and taken them off to one place. We may take them over to the same place, I don't know. Aren't you a fine looking raccoon? There's a little bandit, with a little mask on. Oh. Okay, well, our itinerary for today, you don't want to go out. That masked bandit is right there at the door. I'm going to try to put valve cover on this side of this engine. It's leaking valve from the valve cover here. Try to get that on this morning if I can get it off. Got that exhaust gas pipe, recirculating pipe, coming out right over top of that valve cover. Two valve covers. Fill Pro rubber. I've never liked this kind of gaskets. But anyway, $34. The tax, what does that make it? $36? I'll tell you what, everything is out of sight. We got the plugs in, plugs and plug wires yesterday. Haven't had a chance to check it out much yet. We want to go over to the flea market today, and we have two tires, used tires we bought. We'd like to get those mounted on the front. Oh, I meant to paint these wheels last night. I'll do it right now. I meant to paint these wheels. And want to try to get 4 used tires. And I'm going to get the trim rings and centerpieces like my 2000 van, so the van will look good. I'm going to get this paint done on it over the next couple of weeks, I guess. Get this grill painted black like mine. Grill and the bumper. I think that makes them look real good. And yes, try to get this one and mine sold. I made an offer on that van. I've got a video of it, but I haven't had time to get it up. Got a test drive on it yesterday. I finally got in touch with him and got to test drive it. Made him an offer, and we're getting close. If he won't come down another $500 or $250 at least, then I'm gonna go ahead and go up, on my offer and go to the bank tomorrow. Close this deal. I'll give him a down payment this afternoon. And I need to get these seats back in this van. I want to get a steamer and clean these seats. We used some of this cleaner here. There'll be a review. Need to do a review of that. We used some of that on this seat across here. Some of the nastiest part of it, or dirtiest. These seats aren't really all that bad, and they're very comfortable. These are good seats. Got 4 rows of them. Get them cleaned up and back in the van. I hope, I'm going to ask about $8,000 for that van. When I get it finished, I'll have a chunk in it, but hopefully we'll be able to get enough out of that one and mine. And if we sell at least that 98 ZJ, but I guess I'll probably end up selling my 95 ZJ too. Hopefully I can get enough out of the 4 of these vehicles to almost pay off this van. But I need y'all to watch, like, and share. We need to get this channel up to where it will at least pay for gas. This 2019 Chevrolet van's got 163,000 miles on it. It runs and drives good. It's got a 6-liter V8 in it, which is almost the same thing as my 5.7. I think it's a Vortec like this one. I don't think it's an LS. It's 2019. It may be an LS engine. 8-speed transmission, but it's still only going to get about the same mileage this does. So when we hit the road, I'm going to need y'all to like, share, and subscribe, because gas, even though it's come down, is not cheap. That is my biggest expense, and it eats me up. We'll be able to get out, maybe go up northeast this autumn, go out west, go back to the Everglades, and get a lot more variety in our videos. What shall we call you? We won't keep you around long enough to call you much of anything, will we? Did you enjoy your cat food? What's your name? Oh, me. July flies are singing. Yeah, you don't want to come out yet, ShopCat. Yeah, you can tell she's leery. You ought to be. You were no match for a raccoon. She's curious. She wants to smell him. Okay, well, that's just about going to wrap this one up. Frank's going to drag. He said he was this morning, though. He's got to go to Marietta and pick up another set of these bins. We got these over around Buford. His daughter liked those things so much. She found a set down in Florida. So got her some, and then got him another set. Sent him up here, and he's got to go to Marietta to pick it up. But he said he's planning on getting this out of here. I think he said he was going to list it for $200. Anybody wants this for $200? He said he could get about $200 at the crusher. The body's in good shape. If anybody wants to redo this, I mean, it needs total restoration, but I mean, the body is good and straight. I think those seats, what those seats come out of, they look like 66 Chevelle seats, bucket seats. I know he had a set of 66 Chevelle bucket seats. This is a shop, folks. This is where we live when we're not on the road. This is his paint booth. He's got to clean this up and get it cleaned out so he can paint this El Camino. Okay, well, we need to get a picture of this thing here too, so that we'll have it on the video too. Okay, well, I guess that'll wrap this up.